Hello students! In this video, explore the exciting world of distributive pronouns. Let's learn together. Distributive pronouns refer to individual members of a group of people or things rather than referring to the whole group. Words include both, each, every, neither, no one, etc. Now, let's learn about the uses of distributive pronouns. First is each. We use each when talking about individuals in a small group. For example, each invitation card is handmade. Then, every. It refers to all members of a group as a whole. For example, every student in the class participated in the event. Next is either. We use either when picking one of two options. For example, you can use either a pen or a pencil. Last is neither. It means neither one nor the other of two. For example, neither of the students was prepared for the test. Let's know about the rules of distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns focus on one person or thing at a time, even if there's a group involved. For example, each is a distributive pronoun. If we say, each invitation card is handmade, we're talking about one card at a time. So, we use is, not are. Another thing to remember is that words like either and neither are for choosing between just two things. But if there are more than two options, we use none or any. Now, let's learn about the difference between distributive pronouns and adjectives. Distributive pronouns replace nouns. For example, each of us will get a prize. In contrast, distributive adjectives modify nouns, like each employee was given a task. If we look into the difference between distributive and indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns refer to individuals or items separately. For example, both the paintings are beautiful, whereas indefinite pronouns, like somebody, don't focus on individual items in a group. Now, let's know about some common mistakes students make with distributive pronouns. A lot of students get confused with the verb part. They think, okay, there's a bunch of students, so I'll use are. But remember, distributive pronouns like each focus on one person at a time. So it's always each of the students is. Another tricky one is either and neither. They're only for picking between two things. So you'd say, neither of the options is good. Let's learn how distributive pronouns work in sentences. Each of the students did their work. This means every single student completed their own work. Neither of them can swim. This means both people can't swim. Now it's your turn to answer. Which distributive pronoun is used when picking one option out of two? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for all the classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.